Straight up?
Wow.
No, the people calling them are right there.
Yeah, you can see it. It's cool looking.
Just don't come all the way to the ground. Just go back up. Go back up.
That's crazy, dude.
Dude, yeah.
We can
You
see
it. It's
it.
right there. Right here it is. Oh God, yeah, you're right.
Started off being a little bitty tip.
Oh God, here it comes.
This is on the other side.
It's coming?
You got it filming?
Yeah.
It's going down?
Well, this is why you don't
Yeah,
want
if
to
it hits the ground, that's why you can't do any damage in the air, but if it goes all the way to the ground,
The cars better get off the street.
Come here, Suzanne, hurry! Come here!
Hey, we can see a tornado, guys. Oh my God. Guess now we can go to Colonial.
Not yet.
At least now y'all can go to Columbia.
Yeah,
That
Jacob.
was wild. You can see it swimming.
Yeah, it was. You could just see it narrow and necking down.
That's so crazy.
Oh, look at it spilling down. Oh, yeah, I'll be on storm chase.
News, Alan. Is it showing up?
Yeah, you need to.
Oh!
Saw that too. That was in the video.
That's supposed to be it, the white.
Oh, you could have seen it before.
Wow, dude, it's slowly getting
Go up,
looked cool
not
earlier.
down, you stupid tornado.
Oh, yeah! What are we doing out here? Why can't
Moving away from us.
we hope?
Get away!
That's coming this way now.
Rotating.
Oh, that was just a puff of clouds. I thought it was coming up
No,
from the
but
bottom.
it's pulling them in. Look at it.
When I came out here, we could see them.
Oh, gosh.
Wow. Usually when we have usually when we have tornadoes here, it's all nasty and rainy and hailing.
Nice sunset right there. Yeah, beautiful on that side.
So when there's nothing to scare, we're moving.
It started off just being a little point, and it came down, and it came down.
I should have
And you can
run
see
out.
it.
I